There are some common mistakes when making left turns. Advancing on a green light without yielding to oncoming traffic can result in a collision. Failing to check for pedestrians at a crosswalk while advancing on a green light leads to not yielding to both pedestrians and oncoming vehicles. Turning too wide due to excessive speed increases the risk of a collision. Turning left at the same time as a right-turning vehicle into an adjacent lane creates a crash risk. A large vehicle waiting to turn left from the opposite direction can block your view of oncoming traffic, and making a left turn without clear visibility can cause a collision. Following another vehicle into the intersection is not permitted. Only one vehicle should enter the intersection at a time. Correct approach for a left turn with a dedicated left turn lane. Enter the dedicated left turn lane as soon as possible. Observe signals and perform a shoulder check. If a green arrow indicates the left turn, proceed when the arrow turns green. If there is no arrow, advance into the intersection with your wheels straight. Yield to oncoming vehicles and pedestrians in the crosswalk, and proceed when safe into the left lane. Correct approach for a left turn without a dedicated left turn lane. Wait in the left lane for the green light. When the light turns green, advance into the intersection with your wheels straight. Yield to oncoming traffic and pedestrians, and proceed with the left turn only when the intersection and crosswalk are clear.